Wait a second, did you just think gardening season is over in Zone 4 because it's September? What if I told you this is actually the secret month when smart gardeners get their best results? Yes, even with cold nights coming, you can still plant fresh crops right now. Welcome to your Zone 4 September Gardening Survival Guide. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what you can grow now, how to do it without wasting time, and one mistake beginners make that ruins their fall harvest. Don't miss this, because September might just save your garden year. Here's a question. What do you think grows faster? Crops planted in the hot summer or crops planted in the cool, crisp days of September? The surprising answer is cool season crops often grow healthier because pests slow down and soil holds more moisture. That means September is your second chance. But what should you plant first? Start with leafy greens. Spinach, lettuce, and kale are your best friends right now. They actually taste sweeter after a light frost. Imagine picking fresh salads in October when most people think gardening is over. Root crops are another secret weapon. Radishes, turnips, and even beets can grow quickly in September. They don't need long summer days, just steady, cool soil. There's one thing beginners almost always forget that can make or break these crops. We'll get to that in a moment. Here's your pattern interrupt. Did you know September planting isn't just about food? It's about strategy. If you plant the right way now, your garden soil will actually be healthier for spring. Surprising, right? So what else works in Zone 4 September gardening? Herbs. Cilantro and parsley thrive in cool weather. Plant them now and you'll still be cutting bunches weeks from today. And here's where many beginners go wrong. They forget about daylight hours. As we move into fall, the days get shorter. That means you must choose crops that mature quickly, usually within 30 to 45 days. If you skip this, you'll end up with stunted plants that never finish growing. One even bigger secret? Season extenders. Cold frames, row covers, or even simple garden fabric can stretch your harvest by weeks. With these, you can pull fresh carrots out of the soil even when there's snow on the ground. Think about it. Your neighbors pack away their garden tools in September while you're still harvesting like it's summer. That's the power of this Zone 4 September Gardening Survival Guide. What crop do gardeners almost never plant in September? But if you do, you'll thank yourself in spring. Garlic? Yes, garlic. Plant it now in Zone 4, cover it with mulch, and by next summer, you'll have big, flavorful bulbs ready. It's one of the easiest long-term wins you can add this month. But don't stop there. Swiss chard, arugula, and even peas can handle September planting. These cool weather crops give you color, nutrition, and fresh harvests while others give up. If you only remember one thing today, let it be this: gardening in September Zone 4 isn't about squeezing in the last crops. It's about outsmarting the season. Once you learn this, you'll never see September the same way again. So let's recap your Zone 4 September Gardening Survival Guide. Right now, you can still grow leafy greens, root crops, quick herbs, and even start garlic for next year. Use season extenders to push your harvest longer, and remember, choose crops that finish fast in cooler days. Now, I've got a question for you. Which of these crops are you gonna try first this September? Tell me in the comments, because I'd love to see what your garden looks like. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy fall gardening.